as we are all aware that in our SMP we have an inbox. So when you click on your inbox, this is the screen that comes in front of you. What has been added is point number 18 and point number 19. In 18, you get to see the pending 6 months planning request. That has, when you see the earlier sessions that we had seen, where an individual person is planning his 6 months, at the end of the planning, the person is required to send or submit his entire plan for approval. When he submits the plan for approval, it comes into the inbox of his boss, which is where, this is the place where we can see it. So pending 6 months planning request and rejected 6 months planning request, both come in here. Let's go into the pending 6 months planning request. When we do that, it will come, or if you notice it says 1, that means it will be for one person. And here I see it is for Sandeep Singh, who's reporting into Mr. Dinesh Dubey. Keep moving forward and you will come to the end where you will see the complete summary as it is seen in front of you. See here, it comes out, tracks you to the complete, and you have to click on feedback to be able to either edit or to approve. Editing can be done only by the manager or by the HOL in this case. But if I have more than one and I want to look at any one case, then I need to click here and I'll be able to see, let's say my juniors, any planning which is incomplete, pending feedback which is at my level, pending feedback at juniors level, rejected at my level, rejected at the juniors level, rejected by my senior level. Now when I'm saying this, it is because if you look at the screen that we were seeing right now, there are different levels of people who are going to be looking at the plan, from managers to HOL, ARM, RM, DGM, right up to the CEO. So therefore you have here from my junior to rejected at my senior's level. Now once you've decided the one that you'd like to do, you'll need to press get data to get the data for that particular level and be able to see. Currently, let us look at how do we look at the data of the person who has sent us their planning for approval. Employee Sandeep Singh, and let's move forward till we come to feedback, edit or approve. When I click on this, the complete information that we had for Sandeep Singh, that Sandeep had done, the planning that he had done, comes in front of us on the screen. On seeing this, being the boss of the person here, being the manager of the person here, that is Sandeep Singh, Dubeyji should be able to know or be able to give a feedback on this. So please request that you do not mention not approved. If you're saying not approved, so you may say something like not approved here. So not approved. Please do not leave it at just not approved. Mention why not approved. So you may want to say that in the month of December, your leave has not been approved. So why are you only doing 130? So it is not 130 alone. So the month of December should have more calls, right? More calls. You can put something like this. Don't leave it at just not approved. However, if let's say it is approved, so you may say approved and move on. So I say approved and I go to next. When I go to the next, I will get to see the same data once again, and I get to see the call planning MOP plan, and I get to see the call summary also here. I again give my feedback. If it is not approved for a reason, let's say I expected something to happen for GRC India Private Limited, I should mention here not approved. What about, let's say what about GRC India? This is what I can mention here. If it is approved, then I mention approved and I move on. So let's go to the next. Next we've come to the closed customer. A very similar example here. That means you look at the complete data that is there. You can't see anything here because probably it is sorted in a different order. Here it is. So Vishnu Products, Prism Offsets. Look at the complete data of your junior. See what the call summary looks like. Accordingly give your comment here, which may be approved or not approved. Right? So you say approved here and you move on to next. When I go on to the next, I will get the same feedback for closed customers in my territory. Here, as we see that Sandeep did not have any data in closed customers, so we just move to the next without giving any comment. After doing this, we should come to the CPS cases. So CPS Bank for October to March 15, the complete information is in front of us. We give our comments, so approved, and I move on to the next. Having done this, I come to the assigned cases. In this case, let's say there were no cases assigned, so we move on. And we say here also there's nothing to be commented, so we go on to next. When we move on to next, we see the complete call summary here. If I feel something is wrong, I can go back. If I don't feel anything is wrong here, I can keep moving forward, and when I say next here, I will get a complete listing of the presentation planner. Now you see here that the person has said 100 presentations in the month of October, 90 in the month of November, and you know that the person is making a number of calls in the month of November, and you say 90 is probably not feasible. So you may want to give a comment here, else you will say approved and move on to the next. Here we moved on to the next one. Similarly, we go case by case. We can go through as we had seen in our entry when we were doing the planning. In that particular presentation, we had seen that we could go into this case by case. If we feel there is any change to be done, we make the change. If not, we say approved and we move on. On moving to the next screen, we will get to see the presentation planned product category wise. Again, make the changes or mention approved or give your comments if you have not approved and move to the next. On having done this, we see the conversion plan which is there in front of us. If I need to make any change, I will probably be able to delete from the grid or add to the grid if I am the manager or the HOL. Otherwise, the complete list is there in front of me. I can accordingly choose what I think is right or not right, give my comment. So when I'm here at the feedback, I may want to ask here, why have you got only, why have you mentioned only 6 cases in FPG for the month of March, or why have you mentioned only 5 cases in the month of October? This being a current month, you're more aware of what is happening here. There may be a question that you may want to ask. If not, we mention approved and we move to the next. Here comes my complete summary. I go through this summary once again, ensure that I have taken all precautions, I have gone through the data completely, and I go to the next slide. In this next slide, what you will see is that because I am the RM, since we are working from Mr. Dubey's entry, here we see that total calls here are approved here. So I've got total calls approved, and as I keep moving using this key here, let's say MOP is approved, ordered is approved, closed territory, if you recall, we did not have any in the closed territory. CPS was approved, assigned we did not have any, and total presentations was approved, ordered was approved, product presentation approved, collection also approved. Now let's assume that if you had said that things were not approved here, you will press rejected. Since it is an approved case, we will say approved and save. So planning has got approved over here. We press OK and exit back to the main.